How to block a website in all web browsers. Perhaps you're disciplined and want to block a website from yourself. Maybe you're the proud owner of a child who surfs the web for less than appropriate material. Whatever the reason, this action will require you to edit your host file. Your host file is a computer file used to store information on where to find a node on a computer network. PC. Open Windows Explorer and type in C:/Windows/System32/drivers/etc. If Windows isn't installed on the C drive, substitute the C for the appropriate drive letter. Double-click on Hosts and open the document using Notepad when Windows prompts you. The hosts file tells the system what it should do when specific domains or IP addresses are accessed. This is the file that you are going to edit. If Windows automatically redirects you, or if Hosts opens in another program, simply open Notepad, Start, All Programs, Accessories, Notepad, and then go to Hosts by clicking File, Open inside Notepad. Locate the line 127.0.0.1 localhost or 1 localhost. Put your cursor at the end of whichever line is lowest down. Press Enter to create a new line. Type in whichever website or websites you wish to block. You can add any site, but you will need to preface it with 127.0.0.1. To block the website reddit.com, for example, just type in 127.0.0.1 followed by a single space, followed by reddit.com. Add all of the site's domains, especially mobile domains, on new lines. Your computer might block www.facebook.com, but not m.facebook.com if you're not careful. This is an easy workaround for the experienced computer user. Click File, Save in order to save the host's file. If a prompt comes up saying that you cannot save the file because you are not an administrator, you'll need to change the administrator permissions to include you. To do this, right-click on the host's file, choose Properties, Security, and make sure all the boxes are checked in your user account. This should allow you to save the file as an admin. Otherwise, save the file to your desktop and drag the file to where it needs to be. This could work, although it's not as preferable as the above method. Mac. Launch Terminal. Go to Applications, Utilities, Terminal. Back up your data before making a serious systematic change, optional. It's a good idea to make a backup of your original host's file before you start changing it. Copy and paste the following code into terminal and press Enter. sudo/bin/cp/etc/hosts/etc/hosts original. Terminal will warn you about this command and ask you to supply a password. Type in your password and hit Enter. While you type your password, it will look like your keystrokes aren't working, they are being registered invisibly. Copy and paste the following code into terminal. In one line, add the following line and press Enter, sudo/applications/text-edit.appweblink/etc/hosts. TextEdit will open the host's file in a separate window. Unlock the host's file if it isn't already. Do this by clicking next to the locked icon and clicking Unlock. In TextEdit, locate the line FA80:1% low 0 localhost. Create a new line directly underneath it with a hard return, press Enter. Type in whichever website or websites you wish to block. You can add any site, but you will need to preface it with 127.0.0.1. To block the website youtube.com, for example, just type in 127.0.0.1 followed by a single space, followed by youtube.com. Add all of the site's domains, especially mobile domains, on new lines. Your computer might block www.facebook.com, but not m.facebook.com if you're not careful. This is an easy workaround for the experienced computer user. Save the file and exit. Check to see if the websites you specified are actually blocked.